Tired of your inbox feeling like a black hole where important emails go to die? Well, I'm about to show you a super simple Gmail trick that will help you take back control of your email life using something called Gmail Aliases. This lets you create multiple email addresses, all feeding into the same inbox. First, head over to your Gmail account and compose a new email. You don't actually have to send it. We're just using this to illustrate the trick. In the to field, type in your regular Gmail address. But here's the magic: add a +sign plus followed by any keyword you like. For example, if your email is myemail@gmail.com, you can make something like my email plus newsletter@gmail.com. The keyword should reflect how you'll use this alias. You can create as many of these aliases as you want. Let's say you sign up for online shopping deals a lot. Use mymail plus shopping@gmail.com. Now, any email sent to my email plus newsletter@gmail.com or my email plus shopping@gmail.com will automatically land in your regular myemail@gmail.com inbox. Pretty cool, right? But the real power comes from using filters. Click on the gear icon for settings, then see all settings. Go to filters and blocked addresses and then create a new filter. In the to field, type in one of your aliases, like my email plus newsletter@gmail.com, then click create filter. Now you can select what you want to do with these emails, like automatically applying a label. Check the box next to apply the label, click new label, and name it something that makes sense, like newsletter. Hit create. Finally, click the create filter button, and boom! All emails sent to my email plus newsletter@gmail.com will be automatically labeled as newsletter, making them super easy to find. You can do the same for all the other aliases too. So there you have it. A simple way to create multiple email addresses and keep your inbox organized. Now go forth and conquer your email chaos.